Greetings. Thanks for tuning in. This is Master Jamil. Today, I want to go over a little bit on how to get your Ribbons account going and how you could sell your CTOs on the OTC. Okay, so one of the things you could do is first, I'm on my computer, as you guys can see right now, and I haven't placed any orders. So nothing is showing here, but I'm gonna just go step by step from what I understand from what the videos displayed, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna go under your wallet information. And once you click on your wallet, you're gonna see your Bitcoin wallet information here, all right? So once you submit that, automatically you should, if someone wants to send you Bitcoin for your CTOs, they will send it to this address here, okay? So let's go on to the home page. And on the home page, it should look a little bit like this here. Well, it should look like this. Then you want to create an offer. All right, so this is my first time here, guys. So from what I see and what I've learned here, this is the first thing you're gonna do here is once you get to create a sell offer, you're gonna click on buy. All right, so once you click on buy, it should look like this, okay? So you wanna select the coin, you wanna buy Bitcoin, so it's already selected there, right? The payment method is gonna be crypto transfer, all right? You wanna get paid US dollar, and you wanna say you wanna earn 1%, okay? And say, for the test here, let's just say $500 to $1,000, okay? And say you want to cancel this order in 160, well, you could say 120 minutes. 120 minutes, okay? And now the offer would be CTO to BTC, okay? And trade instructions, I will send CTO for BTC, $1,000 worth, or 1,000 USDT, or $1,000 worth of BTC. How about that? Make it easy. All right. Just as a test, you guys, so you can see how this thing operates here. And then from here, okay, I would say send me CTO address to complete order. Just make it simple, okay? Open to sell. Let's see, 10,000, or I could say 7,500 CTOs. Make it real simple, guys. All right. So that looks good. We're going to go ahead and submit. Boom. All right, guys. So now I'm in the system. It says I want to buy currency, Bitcoin, $500 to $1,000, 1% profit margin, cryptocurrency. All right, boom. So if I want to see this trade right now, I want to go under sell. All right, so as you guys can see, my name is CTO Mansa here in the Ribbons OTC. I click on sell, and let's look for my handler to sell. I should pop up right away. Boom, there you go. CTO Mansa, there I am right there, guys, waiting. I can click on sell if someone wants to click on it, and it'll have my instructions here. CTO to BTC, open to sell 7,500 CTOs, the amount here, blah, blah, blah. We're good to go. So whoever contacts me and they're interested in, taking my CTOs, right away, I'll go ahead and sell them over to them. So I'm just going to wait here and see how fast the process takes. So I'm excited about this. Everything looks like it's working pretty cool. And I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. And I hope and pray that everybody got this information. If so, if not, just go ahead and rewind it and do it all over again. Another few things that I want to add here is that you can go into your profile and do your profile settings, get your KYC all set up. Once you want to do crypto to fiat, you got to have that set up. I'll put a picture there already. So I'm all set up, guys. I mean, this thing is pretty simple. It looks like we're up and running so far. So we'll just wait and see if we can get a completed transaction now. That's the goal here, right? So once this transaction is complete, I'll definitely do another video showing that, hey, here's the completion of the process here. And again, this is Mansa Jamil. I appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel, AI Global Legends, and we're here to help the team win. Peace.